Guruji, I'd just like to offer you a poem of gratitude from all of us.
Okay.
Yeah. And of course, it starts with the words that we've all begun to love so much. It goes, "Oh, happy day, oh, happy day." There's really nothing left to say when persons are getting washed away. They're burning in Sahaja's white fire of grace, disappearing like camphor without a trace. It's an end to the drama and to the strife. Oh, what a sacred, blessed life. This one is for freedom, that's for sure. Guruji, you brought us to heaven's door. Here at Sahaja, it's a sacred land, created by the Master's hand, guided by God's holy code, dedicated to awakening is this abode. Each stone and brick so divinely laid, every structure so prayerfully made, each tree, each flower urging us to recall the most important discovery of all, the full recognition of who we are, the one unmoving polar star. The love of Jesus here shines so bright, the land illumined by the Christ light. Buddha's lesson, be aware, be still, is echoed by every stone and hill. Krishna's flute here plays in the breeze. As in Shiva's lap, we sit in ease. Papaji's message here is the norm. Unmoving silence evident in every form. Nurturing it all, lovingly holding the space, is our Sahaja family, a true river of grace. How has this land come to be? It's the intent of our Master that we all walk free. It's a land of grace, a land of prayer, imbued with a naturalness so precious, so rare. A land of love and blessing and mirth. Guruji, you brought heaven down to earth. Oh, happy day. Oh, happy day. There's really nothing left to say.